This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Inshot and importing both your main clip and the replacement background image or video. You'll want to trim the main clip so only the portion you'll edit remains. This reduces processing time. Once done, set the canvas aspect ratio to match your delivery platform because background scale depends on it. Make sure the background layer is ready on the timeline under the clip. Now you're ready to remove or mask the foreground. Proceed to the next step to do the key work. Use Inshot's cutout or background removal tool to auto-detect the subject and separate it from the original background. This is faster than manual masking. Next, refine edges with the erase and restore brushes, zooming in to clean hairlines and fine details while feathering slightly to avoid harsh edges. Once the foreground is clean, place your new background layer beneath it and scale or reposition that layer so the composition looks natural. Make sure to play the clip to check. Finish by color matching the foreground and new background. Adjust exposure, contrast, and temperature so both layers look cohesive. Add any final motion stabilization or shadow overlays to ground the subject. Export a short test at the intended resolution and frame rate to verify quality. If you notice edge artifacts or flicker, scrub to the problematic frames and redo the mask there with manual erase or restore. Sometimes reapplying a small feather fixes visible seams. Once clean, export the full video and save a project backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.